Hello, my name is Ricky and you are watching Lowe's How to Anything. Now, who doesn't like fresh vegetables? I know I do. With a raised garden bed, you can have your own fresh vegetables at home. I'm going to show you how to build one today. So let's get started. Location for building your garden bed is very important. You want to take in consideration the sun and the shade. So this spot is perfect for our garden bed. If you want pre-made garden beds, you can go to Lowe's or Lowes.com. But today, we're going to build our own. And it's going to be 6 feet long, 4 feet wide, and 17 inches high. For this project, we are going to be using 6-foot 1x6 boards for the sides and 4-foot 1x6 boards for the end pieces. We're going to connect all 4 sides with 4 2x2 corner pieces. And to get the height that we want, we will be stacking 3 boards on each side. Let's clean our area of any weeds or brush. We want a nice, smooth, level area for our garden bed. As you can see, we have our beautiful boards laid out for our project, and they are cedar wood. Now, cedar wood is great because it is termite resistant and helps from rotting. We're also not using pressure treated cedar because we don't want any chemicals to leach into our garden bed. We're also not going to paint it or stain it to prevent chemicals as well. We will stack 3 of these cedar boards up here to our corner 2x2 pieces to make the proper height. We're also going to use these 2x4s to also brace the entire project. First, we're going to start putting together our 2 short end pieces, and I'm drilling pilot holes to help prevent wood splitting. Now let's put this together. I'm using a 1 5/8 exterior screw to put these 2 pieces together. I'm going to drill in 2 screws for each side of the board. We're going to do this for all 3 boards so we can get the proper height. Since you're handling this wood all the time, I would definitely suggest sanding it first. I just finished putting my end pieces together, and now we're going to put the sides together. All 4 sides are now put together, and guess what? I think it looks great. I'm very happy with it. But now is the time. If you have any moles or gophers or underground animals, you want to put some hardware cloth. That'll prevent them from coming up. Also, Lowe sells tents and nets for the top for other creatures. But we're not done yet. We're going to grab some more 1x6 boards and do a perimeter rail around our garden bed. I'm going to lay these 1x6 boards flat on top and drill them right into the top of my 2x2 corner pieces. And now we come to our short pieces. And as you can see, there's no support. So we're going to use these 2x4s to give it some additional support. I'm going to drill straight down there. Add a screw. From the outside here, we want to make sure that board is flush. And we will add an additional screw out here. We're going to repeat that process right here on the other side. There we have it, all done, complete. Now, as you notice, I did the same thing as far as the supports are concerned as the short side I did on the long side here. So now we have a very sturdy rail that we can sit on and garden. Reach for our vegetables. I mean, this is unbelievable. Now, speaking of veggies, let's fill this thing up with soil and start planting some. So now I'm pouring some high quality soil for our veggies. Now, different veggies require different soil depth. So ask your Lowe's Red Vest associate on how deep your veggies need to go. And there we go, our new custom-built raised garden bed. And guess what? It wasn't even hard to do. And I get fresh veggies out of it. So if you want to build your own beautiful raised garden bed, you can find everything you need at Lowe's and Lowes.com. If you need some help, just look for Lowe's Red Vest Associate and they'll be more than happy to help you. But in the meantime, please like and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next on Lowe's How to Anything.